guys, it's Tanya and welcome back to my channel, period. Today we have a wig review brought to you by Beautyforever. They sent me over one of their Byebye Knots Glueless lace wigs. This is a 6x5 closure unit that is glueless, and here are some of the goodies that they sent along with the wig. So I just thought I'd share it with you guys. This wig is of a kinky curly texture, so if you are a natural girl looking for a natural looking wig, this one is for you, so you want to stay tuned for this review. Here's what the wig looks like straight out of the package, guys. She is gorgeous. Just wait and see. So they do supply the elastic wig band or the adjustable wig band with the wig. After all the stuffing is out, look at this lace. It's thin, the hairline is pre-plucked, and the knots are of course bleached, hence Byebye knots unit. And the lace, I love that the way it's cut, it isn't like a straight line, it's like a jagged edge, so it will blend more seamlessly. This is the hair texture. She's a very long unit. I believe she's 20 inches. That's what I asked for. And I'm going to go ahead and tint the lace now. You do want to tint your lace so it can blend better. I love the universal lace because everybody should have a chance to wear units, and it's nothing to just tint your lace. So after I put her on, this is how she looks. I just slapped her on my head. You can see that the lace is already trying to blend right away. But let's go ahead and define these curls first. All I do is drench the unit, and I'm not going to just say spray. Drench the unit in water because you want to be able to detangle. This is a kinky hair texture, so you got to treat it like your own natural kinky hair. So you know we always spray water on our hair first, then apply the product. Once I apply the product, this is a foaming curling mousse from the company Verb. You can use anything that you would like. This does have a hole, so it does make the curls a little crunchy, which I'm not a fan of. I'm just trying to use the products, you know. Anyway, once I apply the product, I brush it out ends first and then going up. And then if you need to define the curls, just repeat the process. So I basically just add water again and comb it through, and then I decide to add some product. But look at how the curls define, and look at the length you get once you brush the curls out and define them. This is a really, really pretty unit. I'm just going through with my fingers and like smoothing the curls out so that they have more definition. But yeah, I go ahead and add some more of the curling mousse. Guys, if you like this video and you want to see more, you don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and then hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. But yeah, guys, look at the curls. They are so pretty. Look at this side, once I define the curls and just brushed them out compared to the other side. So now what I want to do is I want to lay this lace right. So it is very much glueless. But you know, these wigs are like a standard size, so they're for like medium cap sizes. I have a small head, so I do certain things just to make it lay a little bit more flawlessly. So what I do is, one of the things that I do is add baby hairs, and then I take this foaming wrap mousse. I think everybody knows what the Lotta Body foaming wrap mousse, and then I lay the baby hairs with that. Using the foaming mousse just allows the baby hairs to have more flexibility so they're not as stiff. And once I lay those baby hairs on each side, I also put more of the foaming wrap mousse in the middle on top of the lace. And then I take a wig band or lace melting band like the one that was sent with this unit, and I lay it down for like maybe 5 minutes until it dries, and that will help the lace to lay flush to your head. So now, as you see, it's laid flush, it's blended, the comb test is still glueless, and this is after I define all the curls and like let it dry. So this is what the wig looks like. Very, very cute, very pretty, big hair. However, me, I have I'm a small petite woman, so big hair is kind of intimidating sometimes to me. So what I like to do, this is how I treat my curly units, or my big thick kinky curly units, is I do a twist out. I didn't record me putting in the twist outs because as women who have natural kinky curly hair, I am pretty sure, sis, that you know how to do a 2-strand twist. So basically you just want to spray each section with water and use any curling cream you got. It doesn't matter. It's a curling cream basically to define the curls. And you just gonna smooth the curling cream on there, brush it out, and do a twist. So this is just me taking out the twist. So you see how it still has like the natural kinky curly texture in a more defined manner. It's more tamed. So it fits my body body type, my face type, you know, better. So I did want to add some extra baby hairs in the front. I don't know, I just felt like it. You don't have to. You can skip this step because it's still going to be very much glueless without that in the front. I just like to do the sides. And it also hides, like, when I do the baby hairs on the side, it also hides where the lace kind of like blends into my hairline, because my natural hair, the sides, the hair comes down low on the sides. But this front baby hair at the widow's peak is very much optional. So guys, that's it for the install tutorial, and stay tuned for my final thoughts and the final results. Okay guys, I'm back with my final results from the Beautyforever Byebye Knots wig. It has a 6x5 closure. The knots are already pre-bleached. The lace is already pre-cut. You don't have to do a lot with this wig. As you see in the beginning, all I did was throw the wig on, define the curls, and boom. I did do a little extra because for me, I'm a very petite gal. So big hair for me is like, it can be overwhelming. So what I do is when I get wigs like that, I just do a nice twist out. I didn't really record me showing you how to do a twist. I think as women of color, women with naturally kinky hair, y'all know how to do a 2-strand twist. Come on now. So I did do the 2-strand twist off camera, and then I just unraveled them while I was on camera with y'all. All I did was spray each section with water and applied a curling cream. Any curling cream that you like. It really doesn't matter. But this was the final results. I love this unit. And yeah, so it's very much secure. Throw on a go. Secure. She's not going nowhere, okay? And comb test, because I'm going to show you that she's still glueless. Still glueless. Still glueless. This wig is not going nowhere, okay? She does, the lace does go all the way to this side. So my hairline comes down low on the side of my head. So it's really hard for me just to glue it down. But it's okay because this is just going to be a middle part. Anyway, so yeah, I do believe the wig company Beautyforever will provide a discount code, which I'll put in the description box, along with the link where you can purchase this beautiful kinky curly unit from. Very natural for us kinky girls, you know. If you have any other questions, hopefully I've answered them in this video, but if not, go ahead and comment down below and I will make sure to answer them for you. I also want you to join my TikTok and my Instagram page, where I will post more photos and videos. Wig videos. I love wigs, and I'm loving my wig family on YouTube, bringing them to you and reviewing them with you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Stay blessed.